Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are looking at the song Crystal Figurine from Method 4A. And I'm going to tell you and share what I think to be the most important thing about this piece to keep in mind so that you can cross this off and get to the next exercises. What I think is the most important is really adhering to these fingerings because they are letting you know when you need to make a hand position change. I'll show you what I mean. So you start off wide in the C position. But then right here you switch to the F position in your right hand. So you put your thumb in this F, and now all your fingers are lined up in where they need to be to play those notes. Let's try that again. Okay, now we get another hand position change. It's going to be in your left hand. And you got a little scale crosshair. And now another change. You're going to do it in both hands. Okay, we also have another change now. Both hands. We got this F and this A in left and right hands respectively. And now we got a little tricky of a cross right here to this B flat. If you can't reach it like I can with your second finger, you can lift up and get your finger on it like that. And now all your hands and fingers are where they need to be. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, folks, and that's the entire song. These last 8 measures are actually a repeat of the first 8 measures. You're in ABA form here. And basically, if you can play these measures, everything preceding these last 8 measures, you're going to do fine. Good luck, and we'll talk to you later.